Hey guys, Alex Ryan here, and it's a beautiful night in Santorini. As you can sort of see here, it's dusk and everyone's just settling in. It's been an awesome day today. I've actually done a lot of work. As you can sort of see, the sunset is beautiful over there. Look at that, isn't that amazing? And I love Santorini. It's one of my most favorite places. It's also a great place to work from. So guys, if you're looking to get something started on Amazon, my best advice is for you to learn the process and just dive right into it. Get your feet wet. If you're looking to learn to swim, do you take 6 months or a year or 2 years to dabble your feet in and then swim? No, you actually dive in, you jump in, you learn while you are doing it. And Amazon is a great business. It's one of those businesses where you can mess up a few times and you'll be fine. All right, you can actually mess up a few times and you'll still be okay. I've had 3 clients just recently start on less than $1,000. I had one client start, their budget on Amazon was roughly around $350 USD. All right, so the price of admission, the price of actually getting started on Amazon isn't a whole lot. So what I'm saying is, get your feet wet right now. Don't put it off a month longer. Don't even put it off a week or even a day longer. Get something started ASAP, because the sooner you start, the quicker you learn, and you can start traveling. You can start working from anywhere or working where you want to work. All right, but get something started. Get advice. Learn the right process. Learn how to find hot products. All right, but get something at least moving in the right direction. Take every day a step in the right direction towards your goals. My name's Alex Ryan, guys. Thanks for joining me. If you want to join one of my upcoming workshops here in Australia, give us a call on 02 8003 7534 or visit our website. I think it's either below here or up here somewhere. Visit our website and join our workshop. But we do have a free live training on my website as well. So I'll leave it at that. Have an awesome day. I'll talk to you real soon. Bye bye for now.